Thank you for watching, and in this video we are going to cover circular patterns. So circular pattern is pretty similar like linear patterns, but in circular pattern we need a axis or axis of rotation or just a line on which we can just make a rotation of our feature or our desired body. So let's go into the software and let's see how it works. So into the feature tab we can go into the ribbon section, and you can see there is an option of linear pattern, and there is a tiny menu here. I'm gonna click on that, and there is a second option which is circular pattern. So I'm gonna go into the circular pattern, and then the first thing which you need to choose is like what is the axis of rotation where you want to rotate your feature. So the first thing is like, do we have axis of rotation where we can rotate? So the first thing is we can just rotate around this edge. If you have an edge, then it's fine. Or normally if you can go into the view section and you can just click here, view temporary axis. So I can just select this view temporary axis. So with that you can see we have some temporary axis, so we can just go into that and we can take it as a rotating axis. So I'm gonna go and I'm gonna select this as a axis of rotation. And then there are two options. Like the first thing is if you want equal spacing, and then the second option is you can have an instant spacing. So there is another important thing, like do you want to make a pattern of feature and face, or you want to rotate a body, the whole body? So in this example I would like to just made a pattern of this screw hole. So as you can see we have this screw hole, so I want to made it the pattern. So right now as it is selected equal spacing, so that's why it's gonna showing that it's gonna rotate around this axis in 360 degree, because 360 degree is selected here. And how many number of holes do you want? So you can increase it's 7 now, 8, 9, 10. So but actually we don't have part here, so we don't want a equal spacing, so I would choose instant spacing. So in this way, so you can just change the view, and then you can see how much difference or how much distance you want between two holes, or you can just increase the number of holes. And okay, I would say it looks really nice. Sorry for distraction, but if you think my videos are helpful for you, or if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, I am gonna highly recommend you can go into the description of this video where you can find my course link, in which I have over 10 hours of videos in which I explain each and every command in a detailed way. Thank you. So there are three important things. The first thing is axis of rotation you need to choose, and then in how much angle of rotation you want, what is the degree, and then how many number of holes or whatever the feature you want to make pattern. So how many, like in the quantity, how much do you want to make a pattern, and then you just need to click the green check mark. Boom. As you can see, like just by clicking one operation, so we can have multiple holes. So if we were going to make one by one, it's gonna take a lot of time. So that's why this is a really powerful tool, I would say. Okay, till now what we did is like we just use a circular pattern and we just a pattern of feature around the axis of rotation. But what if I would like to make a pattern of body? So I can do that, but for that again the thing is like I need an axis of rotation, but right now we don't have any axis of rotation for this body. So what we can do is like we can just select this face and we can go into the sketch, and then I would like to make a sketch. I need an axis of rotation, so I would go into the sketch and made a line like somewhere here. Okay, I would made a line here, and this then I'm gonna check the green check mark. Okay, so right now I have a body as well and I have a line, so which I'm gonna use as a axis of rotation. Okay, and then what I can do is I can just go into the features, and then first I need to exit the sketch, and then I would go into the feature and then into the circular patterns. And then the first thing which I need to choose is I need to select the axis of rotation, which I'm gonna select this line, which I already made it. And then do I need equal spacing? Yes, I want a equal spacing. And then this time, as I already told you, we are not gonna pattern the feature, we are gonna select the bodies. and then we need to select our body. Look, in this way we can just made a circular pattern of any body. So what right now I am using equal spacing, and it's around 360 degree. I can increase the number of bodies. It's 8, you can increase 9. I would say 7, 8 is fine. Like there is no overlapping and everything looks nice. And then I'm gonna check this green check mark. Look how cool it is looking. Like it's a kind of creative logo. So it's a really powerful tool, I would say. So by using this you can save your a lot of time. And but yes, like there is a thing which you need to keep in mind, like maybe by applying circular patterns or anything, because all of a sudden all these geometries are gonna made, so maybe for a couple of seconds the performance of your PC is down or speed is down. And that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. And if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, then don't forget to check the course link in the description. Thank you.